In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Steam on Linux. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and set up Steam, the launcher, and browse to any compatible games on any Linux OS that you have. So to start, you will have to install Steam. There are various different ways to go about this. You can primarily use your distributions package manager. So this is going to be the easiest way. I've included 3 examples here on Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and Arch. You will be able to copy these command lines here and use them to install Steam. Once you have the Steam launcher, just make sure to run it and you will be able to get it done through the installer. Alternatively, you can download from the software manager, for example on Linux Mint. Just make sure that you acquire the Steam installer. This is the most important part. With this done, go through with the installation process. You just have to make sure that you have enough storage space, and after all of this is done, you will be able to install and play games. So if you have never used Steam before, you will be able to browse through the store. You can find paid games, free games, and once you find any game available in the store, you will be able to add into your account and play. Now, some games aren't going to be compatible, either because they have some form of anti-cheat software or due to other various reasons. If you want to browse through Linux compatible games, then what you can do is go over to the store, and if you go to the categories, you will be able to find Steam OS plus Linux. Whenever you browse through this catalog here, all of these games will be compatible with Linux, and if you click any of them, you will notice that they actually have a Steam icon above the price. If you see this Steam icon, it indicates that it is compatible with SteamOS and Linux. So you will see the Windows icon, the Apple icon, and then SteamOS plus Linux. You can also use ProtonDB. This is essentially a database that tells you all the games that are compatible, and they are either going to be fully compatible, somewhat compatible, or they will have different quirks. You can check all of them here and see which games run natively or which games need tweaks. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Steam on Linux. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.